So, you recorded a podcast, uploaded it to Buzzsprout, and now you're wondering, can you make changes and re-upload? Let's dive right into this. The short answer is yes, you can, but there are a few things to keep in mind first. Understand that Buzzsprout itself doesn't directly allow you to globally edit an existing uploaded audio file. Instead, we'll be working with a new version. Consider it a replacement. Here's the process after editing using your chosen audio editor. Export your updated audio file and head back to Buzzsprout if you've made significant audio edits, correcting errors, adding content, or fixing audio quality. Upload your revised audio file to the episodes section. Now it will show an uploaded file. Consider it a new version that will replace the previous one. Once uploaded, you'll typically need to update your episode details to reflect the new version. You can adjust the title or description to keep your content consistent with other content from your podcast. If you update a podcast, make sure to update them all. Buzzsprout will then process it and update to your listeners. You need to consider some limitations or effects. Your listeners will get the update, but it won't change downloads on their devices immediately. Podcast apps refresh on their schedule. Best practices: always announce your updated episode, maybe with a quick intro explaining the changes. Also, consider naming your new audio files methodically for easy identification and organization. Avoid drastic changes unless completely necessary, and always test your new audio file to keep your listeners engaged.